MultiCare is a 13 hospital health system based in the Pacific Northwest. And I think that the task ahead of us was getting everyone aligned so that our physicians were practicing the very best evidence of medicine, tied to something called the Choosing Wisely program, which is just really great medical care that reduces unnecessary waste, unnecessary spending. So that was our go forward strategy. And we partnered with a group called IllumiCare as our technology partner to help convey this information down to the bedside as physicians were ordering medications and or ordering labs. So we created a system of governance. We created an engagement strategy with our hospitalist partners because we discovered through our analysis that our hospitalists, rounding on between 80 to 90% of our inpatient services, were really where we wanted to focus these efforts. In IllumiCare, we're at the table every moment of the way. We ultimately realized over the course of a year a pretty significant savings. We calculated it to be approximately $2.5 million worth of waste reduction, which we can attribute to the individual decisions made by physicians at the bedsides as a result of being made aware of things like not needing to order an unnecessary complete blood count with differential, or being able to switch over a patient from IV magnesium repletion to oral magnesium repletion because the patient had gone from NPO to oral. And as a function of this deep strategic partnership with IllumiCare, they came back. They listened to the concerns from our physicians around, when this alert comes up, it's a bunch of extra steps and work to actually stop the medication, stop the order, change the lab. And IllumiCare actually built out what I consider to be a really wonderful human factor-centric user experience where the alert, once you agree with it, it actually does the work in the background. And it's built off of something called CDSHooks, which is a Epic-based framework that is very sensitive to the hospitalist, the ordering practitioner workflow. I think it's a huge win. I'm super excited to see this launch. And I think it represents a really nice example of what a deep strategic partnership looks like.